Today, I'll be doing question number 12. It says, if y equals 2 minus x over 3 plus 5x, find the y dx. This is calculus. How do we do this? If you look at this, this is something we call the quotient rule. We have the product rule and we have the quotient rule in calculus. So to do this, let the numerator be u. Let u to be equals to 2 minus x. And also let v to be equals to 3 plus 5x. So the numerator is u and the denominator is v. Now, what is the derivative of u with respect to x? Du dx. If you differentiate this, this is a constant, right? So you don't need this. This is going to be 0. But if you differentiate negative x, it's going to be negative 1. What about if you differentiate the v with respect to x? Like I said, 3 is a constant. Don't worry about this. 5x. If you differentiate 5x, this is going to be 5. Now, what is the formula for the quotient rule? Okay. Now, the derivative, the y, the x. If you want to differentiate this function with respect to x, you're going to use v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So this is the formula for the quotient rule. And now we want to plug in the values in this. So what is v? v is 3 plus 5x. We have 3 plus 5x. What is du dx? Negative 1. Minus u, which is 2 minus x. dv dx is what? 5. Everything over v squared. And what is v squared? 3 plus 5x squared. Now by doing this, your work is easy. And you can proceed from here. So now, let's bring out the brackets. Negative 1 times 3 is going to be negative 3. Negative 1 times 5x is going to be negative 5x. Negative 5 times 2 is going to be negative 10. Negative 5 times negative x is going to be positive 5x. And here we have 3 plus 5x squared. Now, from here, negative 5x plus 5x cancelled out. Negative 3, negative 10 is going to be negative 13. And here we have 3 plus 5x squared. Now, if you look at the options, negative 13 is this. 3 plus 5x is this. So the right answer should be option B. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to see question 13. And the previous questions have been solved. You can check this page for the previous sections. It's under the playlist of WAEC 2025 for the mathematics. See you next time. Bye.